Hi guys, I'm Lynn with Soft Squares. This is block 3 of the Make It Merry quilt pattern by Lamp Farm Designs. This is what it looks like. This is a block of the month program, but you can get the pattern from me or the kit with the pattern and you get everything all at once. And softsquares.com is where you can order that. So if you want to get the kit, that will give you the fabrics that I am using, which are, wasn't quite handy, was it? Which are all these beautiful fabrics right here. Then go to softsquares.com. I have a few kits of those available. So here we have this. Now this fabric, this pattern was written for a fabric line called Make It Merry, where the pattern designer here, Lamp Farm Designs, actually designed the fabric. So I'm using different fabric than what's here, but you're still going to have the same look. And so what I've done is I've gone through and I have cut different fabrics and labeled it so that you know exactly what fabric is what, plus the fabrics themselves have a sticker on it that tell you what it is, so there's no confusion. Plus you can follow along with me and make sure you have the right colors if that's the way you want to go. But this is so pretty and I'm really excited to get this going. So I've done block 1 and I've done block 2, and I'll just do a quick recap on what those were. This is block 1. Had to make a whole bunch of those. And then this is block 2. Made several of those. And block 3 is this one. Now this one is already made up because I made this video about a week ago, and then I did something different with my phone because I actually filmed it on my phone instead of my regular camera, and I can't seem to figure out how to get the video off of my phone. So I have already put this whole block together and made a video on it. So I'm going to actually walk you guys through what you do instead of show you like I wanted to do and like I will be doing with all the other blocks. But the Make It Merry pattern is right here. There we go. That's what you want to see. And where is the block 3? Oh. All right, I just had to take a minute. Okay, so here's what you're making is this block, which turns out to look like this block. Okay, so you're going to need a whole bunch of little squares. You're going to cut, now I can tell you what they are, but not the exact increments because this is not my pattern. But you're going to label your fabrics. So fabric A, you're going to need 2. You're going to need 4. Fabric B, you need 2. And then C, you need 16 of those squares. D will be 2 of those squares. E is 4, and F is 8. And you're going to build it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to work on this part right here. So you're going to take these 2 little triangles, which is your B and your E, and you're going to join them, and that's all you're doing is this triangle piece right here, just that piece right there. Okay, and then after that you're going to add this bigger piece to make it a square, and then you've made that block, just that top block right there. Okay, and then it has you doing the same thing to make this block, where you start out with the 2 little pieces and then you join it to the larger piece that's green. And then the rest of it's just a matter of laying out on your board how it's going to come together. So you're going to have 3 solid reds on the corners and then the middle. And then you're going to have a different color white than you've used so far. That will be down here. So there's only 2 of these blocks and 2 of these blocks. And that's what makes the whole block, the whole thing. So this is what it is. So this one you're actually going to make 4 of these blocks. So I have got them all made. And if I had any part of it left to work on, I would have actually tried to finish this up by doing that. This is the only video that's going to be this basic. There will be a little more description, but hopefully that makes sense, where you're just making little triangles. You're really making this little piece right here, that. And then you're going to add on that. So you could do these 2 pieces, add this to it to make a square. Anyway, sorry, sorry it's not better today. I'm going to start working on block 5, and I should be getting that video uploaded as about the same time this video is coming up. So watch for that and watch for the rest of the series. Again, you can go to SouthSquares.com to get this pattern. You can also get the complete kit where you're going to get all the fabric that you need for their top, and there is actually a kit coordinating background that you can order too if you want to order that too. So check it out, and I hope you have a great day.